Nobody teaches you this at school. Nobody teaches you this at home. And by the time most people figure it out, they're 35, broke, and wondering where it all went wrong. But you're here now, and that means you're already ahead. This is about 5 habits. Simple ones, the kind that take 5 minutes to start, but build serious wealth by the time you're 30. Most adults wish someone had told them this at your age. Nobody did. So let's fix that. This is Stix, 17 years old, no job yet, no money yet, but he made one decision that changed everything. He decided to learn how money works before he had any. And that single decision put him on a completely different path from everyone around him. Here are the 5 habits Stix built before he turned 20. Habit 1, know where every dollar goes. Most people have no idea where their money goes. It just disappears. Stix started tracking every single thing he spent, not to restrict himself, just to see. Awareness is the first weapon. Write it down, use your phone notes, whatever works. Just know the number, know it. Habit 2, pay yourself first. Every time money comes in, whether it's a birthday gift, a part-time job, selling something online, the first thing Stix did was take a percentage and put it aside before spending anything else. Not what's left over. First, even if it's just 10%, even if it's just $5, the amount doesn't matter at the start. The habit does. Most people spend first and save what's left. There's never anything left. Flip the order. Save first, spend what remains. Habit 3, learn one money concept every week. Not a whole course, not a book a month, just one concept. What is compound interest? What is an index fund? What is inflation? What is an asset? One concept per week. 52 concepts a year. In 1 year, Stix knew more about money than most 40-year-olds. Knowledge is leverage. And right now, your biggest asset is time to learn before the stakes are high. Use it. Habit 4, make your money do something, even small money. Stix didn't wait until he had thousands saved. He started with whatever he had. A small investment through a beginner app, a low-cost index fund, something, anything. Because money sitting still loses value every year. Inflation eats it quietly, but money put to work grows quietly. The earlier you start, the more time compounding has to work in your favor. A dollar invested at 16 is worth far more than a dollar invested at 26. Time is the unfair advantage young people have, and most of them waste it. Habit 5, guard your money mindset. This is the one nobody talks about. The people around you will spend. They'll buy things to look rich. New clothes, new phones, things that lose value the second they're purchased. And they'll make you feel like you're missing out. You're not. You're building. There's a difference between looking rich and being rich. Looking rich keeps you broke. Being rich starts with boring decisions made consistently when nobody's watching. Guard your mind. Guard your habits. The results will speak for themselves in 10 years. 2 years later, Stix had his first investment account, a small emergency fund, a side income from reselling online. He wasn't rich, but he had something most adults don't, a foundation, something to build on, and he was still only 19. The 5 habits again. Know where your money goes. Pay yourself first. Learn one concept a week. Make your money do something. Guard your mindset. None of these require a job. None require a lot of money. They only require a decision. The decision you're making right now by even watching this. You're already different from most people your age. Stay different, stay boring, get rich. And if this is the kind of content you want every week, subscribe to Damn Rich, because we're just getting started.